Hello everyone, welcome to Capello School. Today we will be learning how to make a creative and cute looking calendar. Okay, so you can use any pencil, it is fine. I'm just using a 2B pencil. So pencil, which grade pencil doesn't matter here, any pencil you can use. Okay, so breadth is 12 centimeter of this rectangle. Okay, breadth is 12 centimeter, length is 12.5 centimeter. Okay, now rotate the paper like this. Okay, so did you do this 3 centimeter here, both the dots? Did you mark? Okay, you want me to repeat again? So take a scale, keep the paper like this. Okay, keep the scale here. Mark a dot on 3 centimeter and mark a dot on 9 centimeter as well. We are going to make a 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter square we are going to make here. Okay, I'm just telling you how to make that square. Okay, now from this point, mark 3 centimeter again. And from this point also mark 3 centimeter. And then draw a line like this. Draw a line like this. So we are doing it at 12 centimeter. This is the breadth, right? This is the breadth and this is the length. Okay. So on the breadth we are marking right now. Okay. This is the breadth. This is the length. On the breadth we are marking 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter here also. Okay. It's okay. I will keep on repeating. Okay. Then draw a line here like this. Draw a line here like this. Okay, and then fold the paper on the line like this. So I'll repeat one more time from the starting. Okay, because on all these three things we have to do the same method only. So let me repeat it one more time. So we are going to keep the paper like this, where this is the length, that is 12.5 centimeter, and this is the breadth, that is 12 centimeter, right? Now take the scale. Okay, mark a dot at 3 centimeter and mark a dot at 9 centimeter also. Okay, then after that, from this 3 centimeter, mark another dot at 3 centimeter, and from here also mark another dot at 3 centimeter. Okay, then draw the lines. So we are going to make squares here, see? So we are making square here, that's all. 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter square. Here also 3 centimeter into 3 centimeter square, that's all. Okay. Okay, and then after you draw the line, you fold it across the line like this. Okay, that's all. Rectangles we have made like this. Now what you have to do is, okay, for those who have done so far, okay, so what you have to do is fold it inside again. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this mark here? Okay, across this mark, fold it like this. Okay, so even on this side, can you see the line here? Across this line, fold it like this. Okay, so it will look like this. So opposite side will look like this. Can you see? It's folded inside and like this. So here you will get a small pocket like shape. Can you see? Small pocket like shape. Okay, so one more time let me tell you. Okay, with the other one. Done. Now, if you look at all these three papers which we have made, all these three papers have pockets. Can you see? All these three papers, let me show it to you. So can you see a pocket here? You will have a pocket here. If you don't have a pocket here, that means you have done it in the wrong way. Okay. If you have a pocket here, that means you did it in the right way. You'll have a pocket like this. So here also you will have a pocket. Okay. Here also you will have a pocket. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to make one more thing. Now whatever we are going to make now will have some drawing on it. Okay. So take one A4 size sheet paper, small drawing just to decorate the calendar. Okay. So for this drawing, you need a small square. That's all. So you can take a 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So let me write this one down here. 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter square. So when both the measurements are equal, it becomes a square, right? So you're going to make a square. So from here, mark 5 centimeter. Okay. And from the dot, make another dot at 5 centimeter. And then you connect both these. Like this. So you got a square here, right? You got a square, right? So one more time, let me show you, because you need two squares, right? One more time, let me show you. So mark a dot at 5 centimeter here. Okay. And then from the dot, draw another line. Okay. And mark a dot here and then connect this dot. See? So you got a 5 centimeter box here and 5 centimeter box here. Now we are going to do the drawing here. Okay. So inside this two 5 centimeter, right? So inside this, we are going to do a drawing. So what I have done is for the girls, I have made a separate drawing, and for the boys, I'm going to make a separate drawing. Okay. So we are going to make a drawing of a cat. Okay. So for cat, for girls, okay, we are going to make a small Hello Kitty like cat. So for the girls, we are going to make a Hello Kitty cat. Okay. So first we'll make the small ear. Like this. Okay, simple drawing. Okay, nothing complicated, very simple drawing. Okay, make the ear like this and a small curve like this. Yes, Arush, so first I will show the girl for the cat for the girl, and then I will show the cat for the guy also. If you want to draw your own drawing or your own cat, you can go forward with that. Okay, and another small curve like this, and then a small bow here. Okay, and a ear here like this, and then make a circle. That's the face. Okay, now to draw two circles inside. First we will be drawing it with the pencil, then later we will highlight it with the sketch pen as well. And then draw nose. Yes, two drawings. You can do the same drawing as well, but if you want to draw one Hello Kitty and one the cool one, you can draw both like that as well. Okay. Okay, first what we will do is we'll just highlight it with a sketch pen. Okay, then we will cut it out. Okay, so take a black sketch pen or any sketch pen, whichever you have, you can take. So for the Hello Kitty, I will use red color now. Okay, so after we sketch out these two drawings, you're going to cut it out. Okay, we're not going to cut out the square, we are just going to cut out the picture. Okay, so carefully cut out the picture. Okay, now the eyes you can highlight with the black color sketch pen. Okay, draw the eyes as well. Now draw the whiskers. Now what we are going to do is, okay, now take out the blue sheet. So on the blue sheet is where we're going to keep the base of our calendar. Okay. So in this blue sheet, what we're going to do is take out your scale. So let me write down the measurement here so you guys can see what I'm doing. So in the blue sheet, you have to make 4 centimeter. So 4 centimeter, I'll keep it here. Okay. So what you're doing is take the scale on every corners. This is very simple. On every corners, okay, just mark 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter here. Okay. Every corners, mark 4 centimeter. In this corner also 4 centimeter. Okay. On the bottom also 4 centimeter. On the left bottom also 4 centimeter. Now what we are going to do is take the paper, okay, now keep it in portrait mode, okay, and then fold it across the dots. This side also where you have marked. See, can you see the marking? Here is where you marked. Okay, on the right side also here is where you marked. So press nicely on the 2 corners and then fold it. Fold nicely, and even on this side also. So can you see the 2 points? 1 point here on the top and 1 point here on the bottom. So keep the scale on the 2 points and then fold it inside. Okay, now what you have to do is fold it again inside like this, exactly in the half. Okay, so from here lift the paper and then close it like this. And then fold it here. Okay, can you see? So when you open, you're seeing both the sides like this, with the fold inside and with the fold inside here. Just closing it like this. That's it. Keep it aside. Okay, now what you have to do is, now we are just going to stick this is the base of the calendar. Okay, we're going to stick it. I'll tell you how we are going to stick it. Okay, so what you do is open it like this, open it like this. Now we are going to stick. Now take out the Fevicol, take out the Fevicol. Okay, I'll tell you where to stick. Okay, so can you see the right sheet, the right folding? Can you see? So on the right side, apply the Fevicol. Just one line is enough. Apply like that. Just one line on the right side. Okay, then nicely spread it. Spread it with your hand itself. Okay, after spreading with your hand, now take this right side, okay, and you have to close it with the left side like this. Like this. So it will look like this. Can you see? I'm just closing it on the base. This is the base. If you look it from inside, it will look like a tent. Okay. Now what we are going to do is take out, you have made these 3 small boxes, right? These 3 small boxes. These 3 small boxes, we are going to stick it on here like this. We're going to stick it here. Okay. 3 we will be sticking it here. So I'll tell you how to apply the Fevicol for this one. Okay. So take the pink sheet, take out the Fevicol, okay, and apply Fevicol inside like this. Even on the right side also apply Fevicol, okay, and close it. Okay, let me repeat it again. Take out the pink sheet, take out the pink sheet, okay, apply Fevicol on the right side, on the right left side also apply Fevicol, okay, close it. That's all. Okay. So after the blue folding, this is what we have to do. Take out the pink sheet and just fold it inside. That's all. Okay, and apply Fevicol on it. Now last one more time, let me repeat. Take out the white sheet which you have. Apply Fevicol. Apply Fevicol on the left side as well. Okay, and fold it both inside. Okay. Now what you have to do is take Fevicol, apply it here on the top, like this. Okay, on all the 3. So apply it here on the top, like this. Apply on all 3, like that. Okay. Remember, the front side is where we have the pocket. Okay, we are not going to touch the pocket. We are going to do only on the back side. Okay, and then we are going to stick all these 3. Can you see all these 3 sheets? All these 3 we are going to stick on this. Okay, on this blue color. Okay, now slowly stick on the. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now slowly stick here. Be careful while sticking. You can put your hands inside for pressing. Put your hands inside and press. Okay, now take out the other pink sheet. Stick it here. Okay. Now take out the white sheet and stick it here in between. Okay. So after I stick it here, okay, like that, 3 pockets we are making. That's all. 3 pockets. Okay. Now take out your cat. Okay. Take out the cat picture which you have made and you can stick it here. One you can stick it here and one you can stick it here as well. Okay. So apply Fevicol on the cat. Okay. And stick one cat here and stick one on the left side as well. So this is the base of our calendar. Now we are just going to put the dates and the month. That's all. Okay. So for that, take out some A4 size sheet papers. If you did not cut the cat, right? If it is in the box like that, just stick the box like that on the top. Okay. Just stick it like that on the top. Take white paper or you can use any light colored paper. 2 we need. 2 sheets. Okay. So we'll be making small. Okay, first what we'll do is take the A4 size paper, fold it into half, keep it in landscape mode like this. Okay, fold it into half. We're going to make small papers where we are going to draw the dates and the months. Okay, so fold it once like this. Okay, and fold it again inside. Okay. On the second paper also, let me show once again. Take the A4 size paper. Okay, keep it in landscape mode like this. Keep it like this. Fold it inside like this, exactly in half. Okay, like this. Then again fold it into half. I'm not going to tell any measurements here, just fold it into half, that's all. Okay. Now take out a scale. Okay. So keep the paper here on 0. Okay. Mark 4 centimeter. Okay. All the paper will be of the same size. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter like that. Four centimeter like that. Mark 4 centimeter like this. Okay. Okay. Mark 4 centimeter at every corners. Now what you're going to do is take out the scissors and cut it. Take out the scissors. Okay. And start cutting it. Start cutting it. Okay. So you'll get an extra bit of paper that you can throw it. Okay. Now take the other sheet. Okay. Start cutting it. Okay. Like this. So what you need is when you open, see, can you see all the papers are joined, right? So you have to cut it. That's all. So I'll show you one paper size, how you need it. So this is the size of one paper that you need. Okay. Like that, keep cutting all the sheets of paper like that. Okay. This is one size you need. Okay. So if you don't want to measure or do any measurement, you can just cut it out like that. But make sure that all the papers are of the same size. Okay. So keep cutting it. Okay. So I have done cutting out the sheets. So after cutting the sheet, what you do is here is where you're gonna write all the dates. So only one time we'll be writing out the dates. Okay, just one time we'll be writing all the dates. So everyone who has done till here, so how many papers have to be cut? So we need almost 50 sheets of paper. Okay, 50 like these we need. So exactly when you take two papers, we will get 50. Okay, when you take two sheets of paper and cut it like this, we'll get exactly 50. Okay, so whoever has done so far, start writing out dates. First we will start with the dates. Okay, how many dates are there in a month? 31, right? So from 1 to 31 we'll be writing on a paper. Okay, and then we will be putting into this pocket here. Okay, so let's start like this. So let's start with 1. Start writing 1, 2, 3 and start putting it in the pocket. Okay, so after writing each one, put it in the pocket like this. Okay, so do one thing. Sorry. So while writing, let me tell you how, because the pocket is this much big. Okay, so you'll be writing one in portrait mode like this. Then only if we keep like this, you'll be able to see the one, right? So let me tell. So everybody just listen here one time. Okay, before going to the next step, let me show it one more time. So keep the paper in portrait mode. This is portrait mode. Okay, and this is landscape mode. If you write it in landscape mode and keep it, maybe if you keep it in the pocket, it might not be visible, right? It might not be visible. So what you have to do is you're going to keep it in portrait mode like this. Okay, and we're going to write the numbers on the top. So write all the numbers on the top like this. 1, 2. Okay, and then keep one by one inside like this. Keep one by one inside. That's all. Okay. written. Suppose this one are the dates. Okay, so we can mention it as dates here. Okay, mention it as dates here. Here these are the months, right? You can write month here. Okay, and in the final one you can write days. These are the days. Okay, now you can keep it sturdy. So let me just show it from a different view so you can see it in a better way. So the base, right? So the base you can apply, you can keep something little more heavy in case if your calendar is falling backwards. You can keep something in the base. In this, can you see in between the triangle? So here you can keep something heavy just to make it sturdy in case if it is not, if in case if your calendar is falling back. Okay, so this calendar, how it's working is, let me show you. So can you see the calendar? Okay, I hope all of you can see the calendar. So how this work is, every day, each and every day, you take out one date from here, okay, and then you put it in the back. Okay, so suppose today, this month is January, you put January, you change the date, whichever date is supposed to be here. Suppose it is 23rd January 2000, and if it is, suppose it is Saturday, so you Saturday you keep it here, January you keep it here, and this 1 2 3 keep on putting it backwards till you get 23. Okay, yes, you can mention the year, you can mention it in here. That is why this paper we used it as white, right? So let me mention the year as well. So we can mention 2021 here. Okay, in the white sheet. Okay, so this is our DIY calendar. Okay,